Sa lahat na mahilig maglakbay at maghanap ng perfect getaway this autumn season, let me take you to a place na para kang pumasok sa isang postcard. This is Bright, Victoria. Nested in the heart of Australian Alps, Bright is a small town with a big reputation for its breathtaking autumn scenery. Isa ito sa mga top destinations sa Australia tuwing fall, and once you get there, you'll know exactly why. The entire town transformed into a kaleidoscope of red, orange, and golden leaves, na para bang isang obra maestra na gawa ng kalikasan. Before we go deeper with this video, let me take you to our journey going to Bright. Tara, let's go!
Sa mga cavity.
For the people to say, singing songs of freedom like choir.
Good morning Palaboy Nation, it's me again, Antoy Palaboy ang pobrang ilagan, and welcome back to another vlog. So we are on our way going to Bright because it's autumn season here in Australia. So might as well let's do a vlog na about autumn. So we're gonna spend our autumn season dito sa Bright. Ito rin yung isang pinupuntahan dito sa Australia, particularly here in Victoria, kasi napaka-picture perfect niya at saka you can really capture good pictures and memories sa mga lugar na to. If you're looking for a vlog about autumn season dito sa Australia, particularly here in Victoria, then you are in the right video. Kaya without further ado, tara, let's go!
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough.
Sa Pilipinas, hindi natin masyadong nararanasan ang 4 seasons. Kaya para sa ating mga Pinoy, ang makakita ng falling leaves at malamig na simoy ng hangin habang naglalakad sa tree-lined street ay isang magical experience. In Bright, you don't just see autumn, you feel it. Every step you take is surrounded by beauty, from the vibrant canopies above to the trunks of leaves beneath on your feet. Autumn in Bright usually starts around late March to early May. And this is when the town comes alive with festivals, food, and nature activities. Kung gusto mong ma-experience ang tunay na Australia country charm with a Filipino heart, this is the place to be. Hindi mo kailangan lumayo para makahanap ng magic. Sometimes, it's just a few hours drive away from Melbourne. Halina tuklasin ang ganda ng autumn sa Bright. I-interviewin guys. So interviewin natin yung may-ari ng lupaing ito. Sir, sir. Sa'yo daw tong lupa na to, sir.
Oo, i-focus mo yung lapad ng lupa.
Ah.
Alam mo ba yung may-ari dyan? Hindi sa akin yun.
Welcome to Bright.
Sa amin pa to. Mama ko, di ba? Magwalit na. Upusin talaga yan. Pwede po, nalika ka.
Tom Jones na talaga, Day.
So nasa town na kami ng Bright. So mapapansin mo dito guys, puro puti yung mga tao. Less yung Asian, majority is talaga mga puti. If it's regional, dyan mo makikita yung mga puti talaga. Tapos sa mga city, dyan mo makikita yung mga Asian, Chinese, Indians, Filipinos. Kasi yung mga Australian guys, ayaw nila na, I don't know kung ayaw nila or mas gusto nila sa regional areas sila magstay and spend their life. This is the tiramisu. This one is chocolate. This one is mango. Hey guys! So, kakaalis na natin sa Bright Town proper. Ang next stop natin is sikat na brand ng wine, which is Brown Brothers. It's gonna be like 20 minutes from here. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Pero before nyan, magkakape muna tayo. Coffee break muna tayo. Kapoy, dilat. Soya. Thank you. Thank you. Mga kababayan, hip hip. Itong kinasar na, katong hip hip, katong, let's say hip hip for hip hip naman ninuon.
I love the vibe. Let's go pang kasang dali.
So we're here sa Brown Brothers, so let's check their shop.
Two types of sparkling. This is your French style, dry whites, dry reds, and these are your sweet ones. There is a passion fruit spritz as well that you can try.
Okay.
This has spent 3 years in the bottle on yeast lees, gaining its flavour. So a nice fine bubble and really rich flavour.
Bakit konti lang nilagay niyo?
One tasting lang talaga yan, Dab.
So this is cream cave.
How is it?
Sabi ko pag
Dato Buti.
sparkling siya.
Vinegar.
Some of the fruit is coming from Tasmania. The limited release Chardonnay comes from the top of the Banksdale Vineyard in the King Valley.
Yep. Kung sama ng kuan.
Chuba Chuchu.
Chu.
Masami.
Is this? Guys, so if you wanted to go here, you can buy wines. You can drink it here. You can chill out. Meron silang cafe. Meron silang bar doon. You can buy your food. So you can do wine tasting. So it's just for $10. You can choose 5 types of wines. I am really a fan of Moscato. So long as matamis yung wine, bet ko yan. I think this ends our vlog for today. If you find this video good, please give me a thumbs up. Like this video, comment your thoughts below. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Alright, so it's me again, Auntie Palabi, ang pobreng lagan, saying explore because life is too short and be a responsible lagan. Till next time, see you on my next vlog. Some people always ask me why I travel a lot or bakit nga ba kailangan natin mag-travel? Simple lang, dahil ang mundo ay napakalawak para manatili lang tayo sa isang lugar. Ang paglalakbay ay hindi lang para sa sightseeing or pagkuha ng magagandang picture. Ito ay para rin sa pagpapalawak ng pananaw, pagdiskubre sa sarili, at paglikha ng mga alaala na hindi matutumbasan ng kahit anong material na bagay. Sa bawat biyahe may bagong kultura, sa bawat lugar na napupuntahan may bagong kwento, bagong tao, at bagong aral na natututunan. Travel teach us to be humble, to be open, and to be present. Minsan, ang kailangan lang natin ay konting distansya mula sa araw-araw para mas lalo nating ma-appreciate ang buhay. Kaya kung may pagkakataon ka, lumabas, bumiyahe, at damhin ang mundo. Dahil sa huli, ang mga karanasang yan ang tunay na yaman ng buhay.